Today on OsoGrandeKnives TV, we are looking at the Spyderco Rubicon. This is the carbon fiber Rubicon model, new for 2014. It's designed by knife maker Peter Carey, and it's one of Spyderco's few knives that have the Kit Carson-inspired index finger flipper for effortless, smooth one-hand opening, just with a flick of the index finger. There's no spring action on this. It's a manual opener, but it's so smooth that you just barely pull back on that and it just springs into action. You of course have the Spyderco round hole here. The blade steel on this is CPM S30V stainless steel, high performance steel. You have a spear point style blade with a swedge on the top edge, which gives it a nice point. You also have a high hollow grind on the primary edge. Has excellent edge geometry. These are made in Taichung, Taiwan at Spyderco's facility there. You have beautiful contoured carbon fiber handles that have been placed on top of the skeletonized titanium liners. If you look in there carefully, you may be able to see some of the skeletonization, the holes that they've drilled in there to lighten the titanium. It's a very lightweight, well-balanced knife. And it feels good in the hand. There's jimping on the spine for your thumb, on the thumb ramp. You also have some jimping down here on the index finger flipper. When it goes into the open position, the flipper serves as a guard, which helps to give you a more comfortable grip and also to protect you from slipping forward onto the cutting edge. The blade is very sharp. Right out of the box, it's ready to go. You have nice orange accents around the pivot pin area. This is Torx head adjustable. All the hardware is Torx head adjustable. You have a bright orange backspacer, and you have a Kershaw style clip. This is another one that Spyderco started putting this type of clip on there. They're very attractive. You've got some holes in there to enhance the appearance. And you have a nested frame lock or a heavy-duty liner locking mechanism. It's very smooth opening and closing. And there's a close-up view of the lock mechanism in action. There's jimping on it so that it's very easy to find. Even though it doesn't protrude up, you don't see any part of the frame protruding up past these beautiful carbon fiber scales. Let's do a slow motion of a lock. Here we go. Okay. Now, effortless opening feels great. It's a mid-size folder. It's great for EDC carry. There's no lanyard hole in it. The pocket clip's not reversible. But it feels very ergonomic for a medium-sized folding knife. The overall length measures in at 7.48 inches. It's got a 3.03 inch long blade. The cutting edge is 2.79 inches. The blade thickness is a nice thick 0.14 of an inch. Again, the steel is CPM S30V high performance stainless. You have a spear point style blade. It's got a hollow grind, plain edge. The handle length measures in at 4.34 inches. And again, the carbon fiber on this handle is just spectacular. It really has a lot of depth to it that the camera just doesn't do justice to. Very nice handle on that. The weight is a lightweight 4.2 ounces, which is very light for a knife that has got this type of build quality.